The Norse people of Scandinavia put a macabre twist on the flood myth. In their cosmology, the world is drowned not in water, but in the blood of a giant, Ymir, whose murdered body becomes the substance of the world itself. Only Bergelmir and his wife survive this crimson flood inside a wooden chest or ark, later repopulating the earth with a new race of giants. Sounds like that Deucalion myth. For the Aztecs of Mesoamerica, the flood is not a singular event, but a recurring cosmic cycle. Their myths describe multiple world ages, or suns, each ending in catastrophe. Our current world was born after a great flood from which only a man named Coxcox and his wife survived, yet another echo of the familiar pattern. Among indigenous North American peoples, flood stories are astonishingly prevalent. The Cree Nation tells of a deluge from which only virtuous individuals escaped. Hopi mythology describes survival on a floating reed island when the Third World was destroyed by water. The Ojibwe recount how their trickster hero Wenabuzu built a raft to save animals as waters consumed the land, eventually recreating the world from a handful of mud. In Lakota tradition, a great flood caused by a vengeful water monster leaves only a single girl survivor, who repopulates the earth with the help of an eagle. What emerges from this global survey is nothing short of extraordinary, a pattern so consistent it demands explanation. Across these wildly diverse cultures, separated by vast oceans and impenetrable mountain ranges, the same motifs appear with uncanny regularity. Divine judgment, or cosmic catastrophe, as the catalyst. A warning given to chosen survivors. Construction of a vessel for escape. Preservation of life forms for the new world. Landing on mountains or high ground. Birds sent to find dry land. Sacrifice offered in gratitude. Repopulation of the earth. Divine promise against future floods. The similarities are way too numerous, too specific to dismiss as coincidence. Yet these cultures had no known contact with each other. Many of these stories emerged before the age of widespread global exploration. How could such a specific narrative template become embedded in the mythological DNA of virtually every human culture? These aren't just stories, he says, his voice trembling with emotion. They're the shared memory of humanity. Three powerful possibilities emerge to explain the global flood myth phenomenon.